Yeah, boy.
Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Al-Ultraf is back for another video, and this time I'm making one of the best cookie dough. I'm gonna serve this cookie dough with ice cream strawberries. It's gonna be amazing. Without further ado, let's get started. Al-Ultraf presents. Now first of all, grab yourself a bowl. And with your butter, this is unsalted butter. You want to cook the butter until nice and brown. Browning the butter would really add lots of flavor.
Oh yeah.
So once the butter is nice and brown, just turn off the heat. Add in the butter into this bowl. Like I said, it would add a lot of flavor. Now in with 130 grams of sugar. 130 grams is roughly around half a cup of sugar. So just mix that in and dissolve all that sugar. Now in with 1 large egg. Crack that. Combine these together. Good teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon depending on your taste. A cup of flour, which is around 150 grams. Just throw that in. If you notice, I'm using this cup measurements just to get the measurements right. We're also gonna add in half teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. Touch of sea salt and black pepper. I'm just kidding. Now you want to give this a really good mix and bring everything together. So slowly mix this. Alright, we're gonna add some chocolate into our mixture. Who doesn't like some chocolate? Come on. Alright, so here I've got around 150 grams of dark chocolate. You could also use a bit of milk chocolate if you like. We're just gonna roughly chop this. Alright, so that looks fantastic. So mix in the chocolate. Got here some left. So just combine these two together. That's an amazing cookie dough. Just have a look at that. Grab an 18 centimeter or 9-inch tin. Add the cookie dough mixture into there. Oh man, it smells so good. One of the best cookie dough you're gonna try. Alright, so just make sure it's evenly distributed. So just push a little. The rest of the chocolate can go on the top. Alright, so that looks beautiful. Now this is ready to go in the oven. You want to let this bake for around 10 minutes if you like the center to be a bit gooey. If you don't like it too gooey, just bake it for extra few minutes. Alright, so our cookie dough is ready. Looks beautiful. Let's serve this with a bit of the ice cream. Just here in the middle. Some of the strawberries if you like. Some of these triple chocolate curls on the top. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks amazing. A bit of crusty on the sides and gooey in the middle. The flavor of that dark brown sugar. So delicious. The strawberries, ice cream really go well together. One of the best desserts ever. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.